Welcome, it's Daniela and I want to show you a new layout created with the October kits. I used the embellishments and the Pocket Life kit, 2 papers from the Pocket Life kit, and I also made use of the beautiful color kit and the Pocket Life stamp set, and then I used one of these pretty dies, just one of those leaves that we get in this set. So this layout is a mixed media layout, and I started my page by marking the spot where my picture is in the center of the white cardstock, and then I cut this leaf from white cardstock by using the die set, and as you can see, I made myself a leaf shape here by just fuzzy cutting the edge of the negative form that I got by using this die, and I wanted to use this to create a mixed media background, and I'm just applying the color here on the cardstock, and I marked the spots so that I don't have to fill all the blanks that actually will be covered by the picture later on. So you see that I just apply the color with a makeup sponge, and I will have a few white spots where the leaves are right now, and I will take these off to have a few white spots, and then afterwards I will add more details by using some more techniques. So this is the first step. It's quite easy, as you can see, and just mix some more color. Just I don't want to waste anything, so I always tend to just see how much powders I need, and then mix up some more of the color. And now, after completing the big mixed media part, I just add a few color spots by using another powder, and we get 3 different powders in the color kit this month, and I use the third one to have some leaf details, and I'm working with the Pocket Life stamp set here, and I've just chosen this one, and you see that this way I have more details on the background, and actually, this is not made for stamping, so powders are not made for stamping, but you can use them to have nice elements here, and they are different depending on how much color you add to the stamp. So now I also add some hearts. We have this pretty little heart stamp in the stamp set, and well, this is my background for my picture. Actually, this is a page that hardly takes any papers. I just added 2 papers from the Pocket Life kit and placed them here behind my picture, but we only see tiny little bits. All the rest will be made of embellishments. So we have this big mixed media background, and then I will add a lot of different leaves. So this is a fall themed page, and I love the beautiful leaves that we get in the die cut set. So the ephemera set, and I also fuzzy cut 2 leaves from the paper because I love this shape so much, and we have the smaller shape in the paper, as you can see. These go together perfectly. And then I also add another one of these because there is another one in the Pocket Life kit. So I do some fuzzy cutting again, and this way I have 3 different sizes of this shape. And well, I think that this is a nice combination. Taking a look at the ephemera pack, first of all I thought maybe I use this little cute little fox, but then I just went for the title Fall Vibes. This is also an easy way to create a title by so using a die cut instead of using alphabet stickers. And here for my picture I think that the Fall Vibes piece is yeah, a nice addition to the leaves and to my picture, and yeah, that's why I'm going for this one here without using any alphabet stickers. Okay, so you see just a few leaves, and this big mixed media background makes a nice layout already. So I just want to add a few details, and I'm working with the pretty sticker set again. We get foam stickers this month, and I want to use this little hedgehog. It's really cute, and some more leaf elements. And this way we also have different texture, different shapes, and yeah, also here the puffy stickers are a nice way to have even more dimension, because all the different embellishments have a different texture, and this way we have yeah, a lot of dimension, even though we hardly have any paper layers. Okay, the fox again. But then I decided not to have it here on this page. And this is what my page turned out like in the end. I just added some handwritten journaling. And you see, this is a nice and easy way to have a poppy mixed media background with just some embellishments. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.